Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on price alerts on Expedia. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Expedia Philippines homepage. Once the site loads, look for the main travel menu and choose Flights. This takes you to the flight search form where you can set up the route you want to track. In the Leaving From field, enter your departure city or airport. Make sure you pick the correct option from the suggestions so Expedia knows exactly which airport you mean. Next, in the Going to field, type your destination and select it from the list. Taking a moment to confirm both locations helps ensure your alerts track the right route. Now choose your travel dates. Click the Date field to open the calendar, then select your departure and, if applicable, your return date. If your plans are flexible, you can still pick a general range that works for you. Price alerts will track fares for the dates you've set. When your dates look correct, click Done to apply them. Before searching, check the cabin class. Select economy if that's what you plan to book, or leave it as is if it's already set to economy by default. Price alerts reflect the options you choose here, so matching your usual travel preferences leads to more useful notifications. Go ahead and click Search. Expedia will load a results page with available flights based on your route and dates. After the results appear, look to the left-hand side of the page for the Watch Price option. This is typically shown as a toggle or switch. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little within the Filters panel on the left. It's usually grouped with tools that help you monitor or refine fares. When you find the Watch Price toggle, click it to turn it on. This activates a price alert for the itinerary you've just searched. From here, Expedia will monitor fares for that route and time frame and let you know when prices change. Depending on your account and app settings, alerts may arrive by email, push notification, or both. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to do so to make sure your alerts are saved to your profile and delivered reliably. That's it. You've set up price alerts for your chosen flight search. If you later adjust dates, destinations, or cabin class and want alerts for the new setup, simply repeat the same steps and switch Watch Price on again for the updated search. This way you'll stay informed and can book when the fare fits your budget.